All right, everyone. I'm here with my dad, and we're gonna be cooking up the swordfish that he caught, which I'll try to show a little clip of that at the beginning of this video.
Give me another gap. Get give me left glove. Put it on my hand. Put it on free pull. Watch out, you can start whacking when it comes in.
So we're gonna show a clip of Dad catching the swordfish, and then he brought the swordfish up here to my house, and he's gonna cook it. So here he goes. Yeah. All right.
It's a little recipe for buttery garlic pan-fried swordfish. So we'll start off with just some fillets. And we cut them to about 1 inch thick. And then we'll be doing a flour. And then we'll come to a mustard hot sauce wash. And then we'll go with a really crumbly breadcrumb. And then we'll have garlic butter olive oil.
Okay, so he's just throwing the swordfish in the breading.
Yep, we're going to start off with flour.
And we need to turn the heat on.
Put a little Tony Chachere's in here.
A little Tony Chachere's and flour.
Mm-hmm.
And we got the heat on this over here.
That is your olive oil right now.
Yeah, so we got the olive oil in the skillet.
And put a little butter in there.
A little butter in the olive oil. So we took the swordfish, we put it in the flour with the Tonys. We got olive oil in the skillet. We put a little butter in there.
We'll do some little minced garlic in the olive oil and the butter. The butter and the garlic and the olive. Oh, man. Good stuff. What kind of heat you got on there?
I just put it on high to get it started.
Okay. Get it rolling.
And we're mixing up the hot sauce and the mustard. Just regular yellow mustard here.
Yep, that's it. And once we get a little flour base, then we'll come over here. We're going to drop in that. Get a little wash on it. Now I'm going to come into a little bit more of a breadcrumb. Oh yeah, the thing's starting to roll. Right on. We really want to get this one coated up good with those breadcrumbs. Almost like, you know, it's encased, right?
Yeah.
All right, you think I'm hot enough to go in there?
I think so. I dip it once in the flour at least. No, the bottom. Like the bottom piece. Yeah. Just right here.
There we go. We'll leave that in there till it really gets hard before we ever flip it.
Okay.
Yeah, like really get crispy brown before you flip it.
All right, so we just went ahead and flipped it over. And that's kind of what we're looking for, is a nice golden crisp. Putting the other piece in there.
And you know, you could baste that a little bit, you know, once it was like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to keep cooking.
Yeah, then I think you can really baste that.
With that garlic butter.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go for the dual taste test here. Check it out. What I think's funny is that apparently me and Dad both have Lucky Fishing shirts because we was fishing today. We're wearing the same shirts that we wore in the bass fishing videos, but now we're not in Mississippi anymore. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty hard to beat.
Buttery.
Yeah. I mean, if you could beat butter and garlic, people would have stopped using it a long time ago. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Me and Dad had a great day. Hope you had a great day too. And we'll catch you on the next one. So here's a little snapshot of how tonight went. I got a little picture of the fancy plate here to kind of see the smorgasbord of everything that we made. So Dad brought some swordfish. He brought some shrimp from Louisiana. And we caught some trout. And I spent the last hour or two smoking it. Real low heat. Usually want to find the right temperature if you can. And I know it's always difficult, especially if you do it like I do, which is just by the feel of it. Anyway, here's a little snapshot to give. Oh yeah. Look at that. So you got the swordfish, a little fried swordfish in butter, garlic butter. Get that salmon, and then there's the shrimp that I cooked. And I took those shrimp. I boiled those shrimp at Zatarain's, and then I just put them on the grill for a little while just to get a little smoky flavor. But if that don't look good, you're kidding yourself. Anyway, snapshot. Gotta love it. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Me and Dad had a great day. Hope you had a great day too. And we'll catch you on the next one.